at the park.
Hi, Mark. What are you doing here?
Hi, Anna. I'm walking my dog. His name is Max.
Oh, he's so cute. Can I pet him?
Sure, he loves meeting new people.
Do you come here every day?
Yes, in the morning. Do you come here often?
Yes, I like jogging here in the evenings.
Shopping.
Excuse me, can you help me find the apples?
Sure, they are in aisle 4 near the oranges.
Thank you. Do you sell bananas too?
Yes, they are next to the apples.
Great. How much are they?
Bananas are $1.50 per kilogram.
Perfect. I'll take 2 kilograms.
At school.
Good morning, class. How was your weekend?
It was good, thank you. I went to the zoo.
That's nice. What did you see there?
I saw lions, giraffes and monkeys.
Did you take pictures?
Yes, I took many pictures.
Dialogue 4. Ordering food.
Hello, welcome to our cafe. What would you like to order?
Hi, I'd like a chicken sandwich and a coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like milk or sugar in your coffee?
Just sugar, please.
All right. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Dialogue 5. Traveling. Excuse me. Is this the bus to the city center?
Yes, it is. Where do you want to go?
I need to go to the main train station.
No problem. It's 3 stops from here.
Thank you. How much is the ticket?
It's $2.
Dialogue 6. At a party.
Hi, James. Are you enjoying the party?
Hi, Sophia. Yes, it's great. The music is fun.
I agree. Did you try the snacks?
Yes, the cake is delicious.
I baked it.
Wow, you're a great baker. Dialogue 7. At the library.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a book about space.
Sure. We have some books in section 5.
Thank you. Can I borrow one?
Yes, you can borrow up to 3 books.
Dialogue 8. At the gym.
Hi, Alex. Are you ready for your workout?
Yes, I am. What are we doing today?
We'll start with some stretches and then do cardio.
Sounds good. How long will the session be?
About 1 hour.
Dialogue 9. Meeting new friends. Hi, everyone. My name is Liam. I'm new here.
Hi, Liam. Welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. What about you?
I'm from the UK.
Nice to meet you, Ella.
Dialogue 10. Talking about hobbies.
Hi, Mia. What do you like to do in your free time?
Hi, Chris. I love painting. What about you?
I like playing the guitar.
That's cool. Do you play in a band?
No, just for fun.